behalf of the top management, we would like to thank all of you for coming to this memorable another milestone for CRDC, the MOA signing. It's included in the implementation of the Universal Healthcare System, and as Apex Referral Center, it is our mandate to accept all patients kahit sample sa galing. Kahit walang MOA sa amin, tatanggapin namin. And through this MOA, you can navigate our facilities through our one hospital command, like the X-rays, the records. You can request for any of your patients that you need in the like census or the morbidity, mortality of your areas. So it is formal partnership in the implementation of the Universal Healthcare System. So rest assured that the CRNC will provide the best quality healthcare system in our partnership. So maraming salamat at CRNC napili niyo as your Apex Referral. So we have more things to do para ma-improve natin yung implementation ng UHC. Kasi pa lang bago pa lang ito, parang infant pa lang, bago panganak na nag-i-start pa lang tayo. So I hope tayo magiging makita nila na magandang pag-implement natin ng Universal Healthcare System. So baka magiging pilotan tayo, model. Kasi yung South Cotabato sa tayo sila sa yung consulta package or last package. So yun, let's do our best na maganda yung implementation natin sa healthcare provider network system. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Sa province pa lang meron na kayo ng provincial-wide ng healthcare system network. Then madali na lang yan pagka within the province well implemented. Madali na lang yung pag-refer nyo dito sa akin. So yun lang. Thank you and wassalam.